Hey everyone, it's me Tim, and today I'm waking up in southern Utah at a place called Zion Family Ranch Campground. It's really awesome here. I actually came in for the first time last year, and my friend Cody and I met up here again this year, and it's a really great campground. Got a little lake back here surrounded by mountains. It's just perfect, and it's such a great location too. Anyways, today we're going to be riding over to Grand Staircase in Utah. I haven't spent too much time there, so I'm not really sure what we're going to find when we get there. But we're going to ride through it and find somewhere to camp on the other side of that. Not really sure where, or if we're going to be paying for a campsite, or hopefully we can find one for free in a BLM or National Forest or something. So anyways, I'm going to finish my coffee, pack up, and we're going to hit the road. All right, so we're on Route 12. We've been having an absolute blast. We managed to avoid the rain, which was pretty cool. We stopped to get some coffee. That was pretty good. Now we're just riding along Route 12. It's just an absolute blast. It's just been an awesome day. Beautiful weather and beautiful scenery. So we're really enjoying ourselves. Cody, what do you think?
It's awesome.
What do you think of Route 12?
It's pretty awesome. It's
Yeah.
cool. I thought it'd all be red rock, and this is like different. I like it.
Very cool. Well, I guess I spoke too soon. We're getting dumped on with rain. It's huge drops of rain. So we pulled over to get out of it for a minute and wait it out. But it's really coming down pretty bad. All right, so we caught a little bit of a break, kinda. It was still downpouring pretty good, but we got to a gas station. We got the bikes under cover, and we just got some hot chocolate to warm up a little bit. It is a little bit cold, so we're gonna figure out a plan for the rest of the night now. All right, so we found a campground that is 16 miles away. Hopefully we can get a spot there. It looks pretty cool. It's on a creek. Hopefully we can find a spot though, because we're in a super touristy area, and hotels are really expensive around here, and there isn't much else for camping in the area. If this doesn't work out, we're gonna have to go pretty far past it to find the next campground. So fingers crossed. So we found just about the coolest campground I think I've ever stayed at. This place is so cool. There's cliffs all around us, there's water. We're gonna go check that out in a minute. We just finished setting up. It looks like we're in for maybe a little bit of rain, but this is just such an awesome campsite. I forget the name of it, but I'll put it right here. Really cool, and I think we're pretty lucky to have gotten a spot because this thing is so beautiful and there's not a lot of camping in the area. So we're feeling very fortunate today. So there is a hike out to a 120-foot waterfall, but it's 6 miles round trip, and I just don't have the right equipment and gear for it. So I'm gonna have to come back and do that another time. The campsite is still awesome. I absolutely love it. We walked down to the bridge. You could see some of the water. We're just in this canyon. I mean, it's just so cool. We got sprinkled on a little bit, but nothing too bad. I think we're gonna be in the clear. Shouldn't say that. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up here and say thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.